At what point are the citrus fruits considered ripe? It's November 19th, 2025, and I'm starting to see some color changes. Like this is Lisbon lemon. Okay, Lisbon lemon? Yeah. And then here is Kishu mandarin. Now, the outside skin is a little soft. Feels like there's a little bit of air in there. So maybe that's time. Pretty much done. 99%. Oh, wow. Look at that. Okay. Guess they're done. Whoa. Ouch. Ouch. Oh, yeah. That is a big one. That's it. Last. Oh, they smell good. Okay, so that's good. Passion fruit is still here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And then this is the Owari Satsuma mandarin. Boy, they sure look pretty, huh? And then this is Calamandan or Calamansi. They're tiny. And then this is the Meiwa kumquat. They're starting to change color. And then here are all of the pepino melons. They just keep on going. I was noticing that when the flowers are more exposed and visible, I think the pollinators see them more and they're more likely to pollinate, and so I have them. Look at this, even here. This is a guava tree. And then here's my biggest guava right here. 1, 2, maybe I got 3, 4, 5 fruits max. Hey man, year 2, first fruits. What can I say? Okay. And then the Nagami kumquats are doing good. The passion fruit up there is doing good. Dragon fruit is pretty much done except for one right there. Right here. Otherwise, they're done. Oh wow, and I see leaves are still popping out on my moringa. That's amazing. Nice and spicy. Okay. Passion fruit. Passion fruit. Nothing so far on the loquat tree, but they are getting fuller. It could take a while. Not sure. I got those trees as a gift, freebie. And then here are the Nagami kumquats. And I have a really good crop of those. And I have 2 of them. There's one over here. Oh yeah. There's a bunch. Bunchy. Cool. And then another loquat. Growing really well. And then here's my passion fruit. There's one there. There's a couple up there. There's some more there. There's some more there. There. Anyways, enough jibber jabber. Yeah. And then lastly, I have another dragon fruit, but that's done. And then here's my Meyer lemon. Don't really see as many Meyer lemons. There's more on that side. Interesting. Low crop yield this year. I don't know why. Isn't really good, but I do see. Oh, hello. I do see flowers. Definitely see flowers. All right. That'll do it for the Endo farm. Speaking about farm. Those are Peruvian apple cactus. I think that's it. And then I have a few in the front yard too. Okay. That'll do it. Be warm, be safe. Happy gardening.